Guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're doing another unboxing video today, but I really like filming unboxing videos, so I hope that you guys don't mind. I did like two back to back. Today we are unboxing my LookFantastic box. If you're unfamiliar, this is a monthly subscription service just like Ipsy, Birchbox, Glossybox. It is UK based, which is really exciting because sometimes you see brands that you wouldn't see here in the US, so it just makes it a little bit more exciting and like just fun and new. So this is the June box. June is my birthday month, so everything June excites me, so I'm just, just excited about it. It's really pretty, and it seems like it's a little bit larger than some of their other boxes, so maybe that means there's larger products in it. They also gave me a discount link for you guys where you can get your first box for $1, which is a pretty good deal in my opinion, so check it out if you're interested. Okay, let's see what's inside. So it looks like June is their eco month, which makes sense because the box definitely feels more like recycled cardboard as opposed to like the shiny, sometimes they have foiled effects on it, so they're just making the box eco-friendly, which is nice. Definitely jam-packed. So the first thing in here is by the brand So Eco, and it is their Gentle Facial Buffer. Interesting, so it's kind of like an exfoliator, I want to say. This is nice. This is more of like a natural way to kind of buff and exfoliate your face rather than using like a cream or a product or something like that. You can use something like this, which is nice. Okay, next thing in here is by the brand Rituals, which I have heard of before. I really like their products. They're so luxurious and just like spa-like. They sell them at Sephora, by the way. So this is the Mild Body Scrub. I wonder if this is the same thing that usually comes in the little tub. It's just in a tube. No, this is definitely different from the scrub I've used from them before. So there's a little bit of like physical exfoliant in there. Oh, it smells so good. Their products smell just like a spa. Like they smell so good. So this is nice. If you have more sensitive skin, this would definitely be like a really good exfoliator for your body. So this says it has shea butter, coconut oil, lotus, and jujube in it. Okay, next thing in here is from the brand Dr. Lip. Ooh, what a cool name. I wonder if their name is actually Lip, like their last name is actually Lip, which would be kind of cool. So this is it looks like it's a tinted superfood something. It's a tinted lip balm that glides over lips to deliver a pop of color and moisture. Interesting. There's lanolin in it and plant pigment from red radish. Okay. It is very red, you guys. Wowee. Not much of a scent to it, which makes sense. If this is an eco box, there's not going to be, like a whole ton of fragrance and things. Yeah, there really is no scent at all. It's really, really thick. Okay, next thing in here looks like it's a deluxe size sample from the brand ESPA. Is that ESPA? I think is how you say that. So this is looks like it's an eye cream, 24-hour replenishing eye moisturizer. I love eye creams. I love anything that's gonna help my eyes look a little bit younger, keep them nice and refreshed and wrinkle-free. Oh, I keep smelling, okay, that got on my nose. I keep smelling everything like I'm expecting like a really scented thing. So far, the most scented was Rituals, which has a nice fresh but like light fragrance to it. There's no scent to the eye balm. Okay, two more things in here. So LookFantastic does usually have 6 products instead of 5 like most other boxes do. So the first thing I see in here is from the brand Balance Me, and this is a pre and probiotic cleansing milk. Oh, this looks like it's a deluxe size sample as well. So this says it's a lightweight milky cleanser that removes all traces of pollution, SPF, and even eye makeup. So it looks like it's a pre-cleanse that you would use this before you go in with your like regular cleanser. I always double cleanse, so that works for me. This does have a scent to it. There is salicylic acid in here and willow bark. Interesting. Okay, last thing in the box is from the brand Philip Kingsley Styling. It's a finishing touch polishing serum, so I'm guessing this is for your hair. Yeah, this says frizz fighting serum to condition, protect, and help style hair. It's so funny because I actually straightened my hair today like with a hair straightener. I haven't done that in I don't even know how long, and as soon as I went outside, it's really humid today, you guys, here in Charlotte. As soon as I went outside, I don't know if you could tell on this side, but it's just like it just like poofed up and I have all this frizz. So that's why that part of my hair is staying behind me. So I will definitely take all of the frizz control styling products that I can get. I've never tried anything from Philip Kingsley before though. So again, that's one of the best parts of this box is you get brands you've probably never heard of before. Not a lot of scent to this. So that is what is in my June LookFantastic beauty box. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching me unbox this box. And yeah, that's about it for now. I'll talk to you next time. Bye!